Hey everyone, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to play the D minor chord. Here we go. Alright, so let's get started. This chord, I'm only going to show you one shape. It's fairly easy and we're using 3 fingers. So with the D minor chord, the root is D, the third is F, and the fifth is A. Alright, now this chord I'm going to show you with 3 fingers. We're going to start on the first string, first fret, first finger. 1, 1, 1, right? That's the F note. Then we're going to put our third finger down on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's our D note. So that's the root. Then we're going to put our 2nd finger down on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and that's the A note. That's the 5th. And we're going to hit 4 strings from the 4th string to the 1st. And when I say hit, we're going to pluck or strum. All right, very simple. Notice that each finger is on a different fret. The first finger's on the 1st fret, 2nd finger's on the 2nd fret, 3rd finger's on the 3rd fret. And here it is up close. Our right hand's going to strum from the 4th string down. So I hope that was easy enough for you. Stay tuned for more lessons. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.